Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming compatibility and opening the app. Make sure your device runs iOS 12 or later and that camera access is allowed. Without that, Measure can't work. Once done, scan the environment slowly. Good light and a flat reference surface help the app lock onto points. Point the camera at the object edge you want to measure. Keep your phone steady. You're taking control now, so position the first target point carefully before moving to the next step. You'll now capture the measurement. Tap once to set the start point, then move the camera and tap the end point. If you need multiple segments, tap the plus sign to chain measurements. Hold steady while panning for accuracy. Switch modes when necessary. Use ruler mode for close, small items and level when you need to check horizontals or verticals. Make sure to retap points if the yellow dot drifts, because recalibrating during the shot keeps the reading precise and reliable. Finish by saving or refining the result. Tap the measurement label to copy or edit the numeric value, or take a screenshot to archive the visual. If a reading looks off, repeat the scan from a different angle or add a second segment for cross-checking. Sometimes 2 short measurements beat 1 long one. If AR tracking drifts, restart the app, move to a textured background, and re-grant camera permission if needed. This fixes common issues quickly so you can trust the numbers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.